lemon blueberry muffin. This probably would make a really good pancake, to be honest with you. It's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ooh, ouch, it's hot. Hey everyone, Busy Mommy here again. And today, as you saw, we're going to make a lemon blueberry muffin cake in your microwave. So a 90-second muffin cake for dessert. How amazing is that? It's gonna be so yummy. All right, so what do you need to do that? Now I miss my sweets, so I love blueberry muffins. It's like my favorite. Weirdly enough, I don't like blueberries on their own, but in a muffin or in scones, because I've made scones with them in it. And when I go back to eating regular carbs, I'll definitely share a video of my lemon blueberry scones because they're so yummy. But this is similar to that other 90-second recipe for 90-second keto bread that I have, but I changed it up a little bit to give it a little bit more sustenance so that when I'm feeling like I want a blueberry muffin, which I love, I can make this and I can have it for dessert and be happy. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need almond flour. You don't need protein powder. I add the protein powder, adds a little bit of protein to it. You can just do almond flour. And then you need blueberries. I have some liquid stevia sweetener. You can use your favorite sweetener. Some Mexican vanilla, some blueberries, and some fresh lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my mug. I put 1 tablespoon of grape butter, and you're going to melt it and move your mug around so that you get that coated all the way around. And then to this, I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons of almond flour. Uno, let's count in Spanish. Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, 5, count them 5. And then 1 tablespoon of your favorite protein powder. Now this is a plain protein. It doesn't have any flavor. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Probably could have used a spoon, but instead I'm gonna use this knife because it's what I have. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it up again. And I'm going to add my 1 egg. 1 egg, mix it up. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I usually eyeball this, but because I have to measure it for you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it. And then I'm just gonna add a squeeze of lemon juice because I love lemon blueberry. All right, oh, it smells good already. Mixing, mixing, mixing. And then I'm gonna add my liquid stevia. So I like liquid stevia for baking because it actually kind of just blends in really well and doesn't leave an aftertaste. So I'm gonna add 8 drops. Okay, so about 8 drops. All right, and then to that, I'm gonna add, the first time I did this, I added 10 blueberries. I think I want more blueberries than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 15 blueberries. Maybe next time I'll cut them in half, but that seems like a lot of work when this is a 90-second, recipe. This probably would make a really good pancake, to be honest with you. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and microwave this for 90 seconds. While we're waiting for the bread, as usual, I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. If you could please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what other kind of mug cakes you wanna make, or that you think you want me to try to experiment to try to make. I am gonna try to make a pumpkin spice mug cake, and I'm going to try to make a banana bread. I know, without bananas. Let me know what you try or what you wanna try, and it's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's not the end of the world. Ding! Look at that. So pretty. And it oozed out the side. All right, so I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, ouch, it's hot. So now it's time to cut into it. Yummy blueberry goodness. Super excited. Gonna give it a second to cool so I don't burn my mouth. I put butter in my blueberry muffins when I eat them, but let's try it. It's so good. It's literally so good. The fresh blueberries give it that nice tang. The lemon adds a little citrus hint. And the nice thing about this liquid stevia is it doesn't leave an aftertaste. I'm going to definitely experiment with these mug cakes and make a few other ones for you guys. Let me know what kind you want to try next. But hey, go ahead and make you a 90-second little breakfast muffin, or I would eat it as dessert. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Peace, love, and keto. So good. Bye.